The people already know. The people already know. We are tired and we do not want this anymore. But I guess the upside of things, tingin ko rin naman maganda. Kasi nakita ng mga Pilipino kung ano ang klaseng gobyerno ang hindi maganda. They have contrast to what former President Rodrigo Duterte did to this country when he was president. And he made this country great. He made us Filipinos proud of our country. So which is good contrast. Ngayon, pag upo ni Bangag, ano nangyari? That is why people are very dissatisfied because nakikita natin ang difference, ang diferensya ng noon at ngayon. I think marami pa tayo on the agenda. But